So here's how to delete your Facebook page permanently on your mobile device. First, you want to open your Facebook application and then make sure the page is selected. So you want to click on the drop down next to the profile and then select the page, for example, this one. And then click on the settings icon on top of it. And then click on see more in account center. Now you want to click on personal details section. And then you want to click on account ownership and control from there. Now you want to click on deactivation or deletion. And then select your page that you want to remove. For example, this one. Click on it. And then select delete profile, which is deleting it permanently. And then click on continue. And now you can specify a reason why you want to do that. So for example, I no longer find Facebook useful. Click continue. And then click continue again. And then click on continue, but you should scroll all the way down, click on the continue blue button, and it should prompt you to enter your password again. Then you should press continue again, and you should see this page, confirm permanent additional Facebook profile deletion, and then you should click on delete profile, and it should be deleted after 30 days. Now once that is complete, it should switch you back to your default profile. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.